Here's how to request to join someone's TikTok Live in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To join a TikTok Live, you must be at least 18 years old, and the host must allow guests. If guest requests are off, you won't see the join option. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Scroll through your feed, or tap Live at the top to find a live stream. Tap on the live video you want to join. Inside the live, tap the multi-guest icon or the request button at the bottom of the screen. Tap Request to join. Your request will be sent to the live host for approval. If the host accepts, you'll instantly join the live with your camera and microphone. To leave, tap the X button or select Leave Live. If there's no join button, the host disabled guest access, or your account isn't eligible yet. Make sure your camera and microphone permissions are enabled before requesting to join. And that's it. That's how you request to join someone's TikTok Live. Subscribe for more TikTok and phone tips.